Chilliz generally is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that most certainly has an extremely present worth of $0.09596 and a market capitalization of $852,950,066. Digital currencies by and large have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which in every way that really matters is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that truly is significantly directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some genuinely huge venture banks even gain Chilliz and really other cryptographic forms of money all at once to sort of safeguard their resources under administration, against the dashing expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in a fundamentally large manner. Presently, now is the ideal time to especially uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that by and large depend on the readings of our really extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that generally assists us with checking the market feeling and in a real sense, expect where in which the market means to go in a genuinely significant manner explicitly. At this point, the cost of Chilliz for the most part is $0.095963, while the coin right now generally ends up at 61st spot in the general positioning, which by and large is genuinely critical. The said really positioning by and large is assessed based on the resource's current value, that is increased by its for the most part current market capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients really get the most important information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. It's likewise essential to fundamentally consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, especially further appearance, how it's additionally vital to truly consider the authentic information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On January 19, the cost of Chilliz sort of was at $0.093177 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change truly added up to 5.46%, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on January 13, CHZ for the most part was esteemed at $0.079576, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has fundamentally vacillated by 0%. A month prior, on December 20, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.082996. In this manner, the coin has taken a 15.62% action to in a real sense arrive at its for the most part present standings, showing that on January 19, the cost of Chilliz sort of was at $0.093177 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in a real sense added up to 5.46% in a really significant manner. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main especially factor that we in every way that really matters consider while making the cost forecast, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It's likewise essential to really keep a sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to in every practical sense have an unmistakable perspective on where the market generally is going, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The examination of market capitalization conveys sort of equivalent significance in both digital currency and conventional business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology essentially is utilized to in a real sense decide the truly generally position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Changes in market capitalization quite sure or negative for the most part are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul viewpoints in a significant manner. This genuinely specific kind of measurement certainly is likewise used to check the predominance of Chilliz, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unpretentious manner. To sort of decide the extremely current market capitalization of CHZ, we most certainly duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will explicitly be made sense of later by the genuinely present worth of the digital money under survey, or so they most certainly thought. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz truly remains at $852,950,066, which shapes the reason for its in every practical sense present genuinely positioning that sort of was referenced before. Yesterday, on January 19, CHZ especially had a market capitalization of $828,185,568, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Keep going week, on January 13, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in a real sense was recorded at $707,293,554, which generally is genuinely critical. A month prior, on December 20, the market worth of Chilliz generally was evaluated to be $643,160,360 win. Complete stockpile considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining in an unobtrusive way. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for exceptionally dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This fundamentally metric likewise figures the coins that have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate, demonstrating the way that these digital currencies can basically be utilized either for sort of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which truly is very critical. At this point, the truly complete inventory of Chilliz basically is laid out at 888 CHZ, which generally is genuinely huge. In conclusion, the circling supply certainly is utilized too in every way that really matters, work out the market capitalization and in a real sense survey the coins genuinely current remaining in the positions in an unpretentious way. It indicates the general measure of CHZ that really is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly basically put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which for the most part is very huge. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that essentially have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million certainly are the most reasonable for fundamentally long-haul speculation, since they truly are generally especially prone to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in every way that really matters. As opposed to prevalent thinking. At this point, Chilliz fundamentally has a circling supply of 888,292,417 coins, so it indicates the really generally speaking measure of CHZ that for the most part is buy and buy exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that sort of are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. Over the sort of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of $132,808,408, showing it means the extremely generally measure of CHZ that fundamentally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in a kind of significant manner. Yesterday, on January 19, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $126,588,642 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on January 13, how much CHZ the